So I think instead of looking at the basis of this problem, instead of going into the details of the genesis of this problem,
now let him respond.
I think we are unnecessarily
let Mr. Saxena now respond,
communalizing this issue.
Sir, let Mr. Saxena now respond to you.
Let me just clarify here, as Harsh said, that the purpose of the bill is to enhance the accountability of the state and district administration. As economic development takes place in the country, you will find there will be more migration and more prejudice against migrant groups. And therefore, that is one category. The other category is scheduled caste and scheduled tribe.
Sir,
and there's also a category
the definition of group does not say this.
Sir,
I would really appreciate. I would really appreciate.
Because
I would really appreciate.
My small submission.
Linguistic minorities, we are talking about linguistic minorities. I did say that if UPI gets beaten up in Delhi because he's a migrant, this bill is not attracted.
I'll come to that.
Mr. Chari,
What happens? What happens, Mr.
Parut?
No, is yours an interjection?
Yeah,
Who is your interjection to?
My interjection to Mr.
To Mr. Chari. Okay, go ahead.
I will just read 3 lines. Group means a religious or linguistic minority in any state in the Union of India, or scheduled caste or scheduled tribe within the meaning of classes 24 and 25, Article 3. Where is the question of Hindus or Muslims here?
My only
What do you mean?
Where is the question of Hindus or Muslims?
What do you mean by religious minority?
Obviously, it is one of the. It is one of the portion.
Mr. Farooqi.
Nowhere.
You see the contradiction amidst
He's
themselves.
responding to you.
You see, there is so much of a contradiction. His perception as a person who drafted that bill is on the basis of some communal situations which had happened in this country, including the one which he mentioned about elimination of evidence, which is not actually the fact, which has been quoted. Mr. Mande talks nothing about the purpose of religious or linguistic minorities. He says that the institutions have failed. The system has failed. Those who are responsible to check that
Is that true or not? Is that true or not?
I'm telling you the difference.
No, I got it.
And here Mr. Saxena says that all these are there, but we need to classify. My simple submission here is, if there is a Dalit who happens to be a Hindu, who assaults a minority lady, would this bill be invoked in that situation or not? What happens then?
Yes, it will.
What happens then?
Let Harsh respond.
What happens
Let
then?
Harsh respond.
You see,
One minute, you ask the question.
What happens then?
We have defined.
Let him, Saxena, let him respond.
See, we are worried about who is the victim.
Yeah.
And we've defined the victim not because other people don't attack other people. We define the victim who needs special protection as one against whom
Dalit needs a special protection.
That's what actually.
The Dalit needs a special protection.
Let him complete.
In my understanding, because whoever is the victim here, if the Dalit is the victim here, he or she will get protection if they are attacked by a religious minority. Of course, they will get protection under this bill. That is.
What if they are the attackers on another minority?
This actually leads me to my second question, Arnab, which I wanted to ask.
Who classifies and who decides who is the victim and who is the offender?
And we were just worried.
Who is the offender? Who is the victim? How do you get if you have made such a mess
I
out
would
of
take
this?
Mr. Sundaram's argument a little ahead. As Mr. Harshmander said, now if you take Mr. Sundaram's argument a little ahead, the Brahmins constitute the minority in Tamil Nadu, and they were at the receiving end by the so-called Dravidians, Adi Dravidians, who are all the Dalits, and their gods were beaten up, their idols were beaten up, they were garlanded with chappals, and this was the situation, and they were personally insulted. And now, if this bill comes into force, does that
Mr.
particular
Mandar to now
minority
respond.
have any recourse? No recourse.
Give him an opportunity to respond, please.
And
Mr.
let
Chari,
me tell you, please.
Mr. Chari, now you make one point. Let him respond, it's fair.
You go a step further. If I speak against any one of those offenders in Tamil Nadu, in their language, by virtue of being a Tamilian, by virtue of being a Brahmin, by virtue of being a Hindu, a majority, I come under another provision called the hate mongering. I am the victim, and not only that, it is a cognizable, non-bailable offence. I go to jail.
Is now a hate propaganda? Please, Mr. Mandar.
No, please, again, I repeat, the expectation is that if somebody from a privileged class or
What is
community.
privilege?
By
You're a minority. How do we come into privilege here?
Also be a minority.
This has nothing to do with privilege. This has to do with minority.
Obviously not. Mr.
No, we can't-
No, obviously it's not talking about privilege.
Privilege.
Sir,
Let us not get
it is
into
talking
these
about
social
the
words
dominant
like
group.
privilege here.
Sir, it is talking about the dominant, non-dominant group.
Absolutely.
So who is dominant?
Exactly.
I'm
Now,
just
is
trying to
3%
define-
of Brahmins in Tamil Nadu dominant or
Are
not?
they dominant?
Obviously, must I-
They are dominant.
Are they dominant?
are they
Please tell me, are they dominant?
Who will is the state?
And has
Mr. Chari,
Why
Has
do you
this
want
been
to have so
defined?
much of
Mr.
ambiguity
Have you
in a bill
defined
like
dominant
this?
group?
Which
Mr.
is
Cha-
going to create
Please
a mess
define
in the
dominant
country.
group in this.
Mr. Chari, let Mr. Mandar explain this. Now he said elite, he said privileged group. Let him explain it.
I'm just
Yeah,
trying
go
to
on.
say is that we have seen that the institutions of the state, of the criminal justice system, whether it's the police, whether it is, just compare, they act in a certain kind of way. When the Brahmin is attacked, we are expecting that the system in its normal course will protect. But who will not be protected is the Dalit, and therefore we need protection. That is the point that I'm trying to make.
One minute,
and
let him
since-
complete.
and since
No,
I'm-
let
I'm
him
not-
let him complete. Let
I'm
him
not
complete. Let
spoken
him
about, I mean, in the 1984 riots, if we had a law of this kind, what would be different? Let me just ask this question. If we had the 84 riots and this law was in place, what would have happened is that the public officials who failed to perform their duty would have known that their jobs would be at stake, they could go into jail, they would have performed their duties. The politicians who instigated it would have known that they could, they would not become
Very right.
ministers,
Yeah,
they would not
absolutely
go into processes of
Arnab,
privilege.
this was my second
And
question.
They would have,
I
they
need
would
to ask
have, they would have done their duty. That is all that we want in this law. That
Here's the
people
point.
are held accountable.
But here's the point. One minute, I'm coming to a point. 1 minute.
That is
Mr.
totally
Rudy,
misused.
Mr. Rudy, I
This
want to take a
intent
straw
is
poll.
understandable.
I want to take a
This-
straw poll right here, right
this
now. No,
intent
one
is
second. I want to
understandable,
take a
but-
straw poll. I want to take a straw poll. Because we are coming back to two issues. One is the definition of a group. And the second part is there an institutional bias and a prejudice? Now, I want to ask all of you gentlemen here. The contention all our three members have made, local administrations are biased and partisan. Either you introduce fear or you bring a new law. Not everyone agrees. You actually believe all local
me-
administrations are biased?
I have a
Well,
question
in
on
fact,
that before
let
he
me-
answers. Let me ask my question.
Interjection.
Let me.
It's very relevant
let me
because
complete this.
Let me
no,
reply.
Mr. Succession, let me just ask the question because it's very relevant
question
here.
is to him.
You see, my whole confusion is again my second confusion. Unfortunately, you keep saying that the target of the person is the administration which is not acting. But I find under section 58, under section 74, the one who is punished is the one who does the act. The administration and punishing the administration doesn't come into play.
course. No.
We are really
Of
who? I'm sorry. It does not. Please let us just look at this act. We are talking at each stage about any person who causes the communal targeted violence, who causes the hostile environment, who creates the hate propaganda. That person
Mr.
is
Saxena,
not only
let
held,
me-
he is held presumed to be guilty until he is proved innocent under section
Mr.
74.
Saxena, the
Yes, yes.
presumption,
Let me- please give me
presumption
some
of
time
guilt
to
stays.
clarify these issues.
Go on.
First of all, so far the experience has been that no action is taken against the administration because of certain sections in the CRPC, and state government does not give permission
Okay.
to launch cases against the administration. What we have provided here is that for certain dereliction of duty and certain offences committed by the state district administration, which are given in Schedule 3. Please go through the Schedule 3 very
Yes, I
carefully. No such permission is needed under CRPC. So therefore, there could be the district administration, the SP, the DM, etc. They can be hauled up, and no such permission is needed. And for other more serious offences, if permission is needed, and if no permission is given within a certain period, it will be presumed that permission has been given.
no,
So
but-
that is one thing. The other point
The
was
question here is, Mr. Saxena, with all
Yeah.
permission, question here is under clause 74 of the bill, and this is what people are saying, that the bill can become draconian. I want your clarification. This whole business, suppose I am majority member, somebody is a minority member. The person says, there is this hate propaganda which X person is doing. The whole business that the presumption of guilt exists till the offender proves to the contrary. Onus of proof is on the offender. The person becomes guilty by default of a charge being put. Simple question to you, Mr. Saxena, Mr. Mandar, and Kamal Farooqi. How will you ensure this is not misused
Let me
to settle political scores, individual enmities, property
First
feuds,
of all,
etc.?
First
Yeah,
of
go ahead,
all,
sir.
let's go through the commission reports. What have they said? because this point is proved when you look at the commission reports,
Yes.
that there could be bias on both sides.
There could be.
But equal bias does unequal harm, and the harm done to minority is much more than the harm done to the majority community. I will just now give you a few examples. In Muradabad riots 1980, 18 Hindus were killed, 142 Muslims were killed. In the Jamshedpur riots of 1979, 12 Hindus were killed, 117 Muslims were killed. In Ahmedabad riots of 1969, against 24 Hindus, 430 Muslims were killed. Now, you also
So
look
can I
at
ask
what
you a
happened.
question?
No,
Can-
let me complete. Just one or two minutes. You also look at the commission, Madan Commission's report on
Yes.
Bhiwandi.
Okay.
What does it say? It says discrimination was practiced in making arrests.
Yes.
And while Muslim rioters were arrested in large numbers, the police turned a blind eye to what the Hindu rioters were doing. Some Muslim prisoners were beaten both when arrested and while in police custody. I had myself studied the Meerut riots of 1982, and I found out that when Muslims went to lodge a complaint to the police station, rather than recording their complaint, they were all arrested and
So my
beaten up.
question is this: you mentioned the Moradabad riots. The 18 Hindus were killed. You said. What about the families of those 18 Hindus? They would
That's
not have
right.
access. They would
No,
not have
let me-
access.
let me-
Would
let me
they have
answer-
access to
let
the
me-
provisions
let
of
me
this
answer-
bill?
let me-
Under this there is.
No, why should they be? Why are they not? Are they not victims of communal violence?
I agree with you, sir.
Can I explain this?
I agree with you.
Are they?
I-
Let me answer this question.
I have another
Please
basic
look at
question.
I'd like to
section
answer that
90
question
to
as well.
95.
I have another
You will
basic question
find
on this.
That relief, as regards compensation, there is no discrimination.
Yes.
at
No, I
all.
know, but what
It
about
will
the
be given to
18
both majority
what-
community and the minority community, irrespective
My question
of the
is
group
simple.
Mr.
affiliation.
Saxena, Mr. Saxena,
Can-
by your own contention, I would have been very happy if a senior person, a senior bureaucrat like you, would have not differentiated between a Hindu victim and a Muslim victim. Unfortunately, this is exactly what this bill does. It differentiates between a Hindu Muslim and a
See, the
Muslim
target
Muslim.
is
Well, I
not
gave you
communal
the-
violence.
Together
No,
go.
no, no, sir,
Please,
but
please,
I
I
have
have
one
a
minute,
question.
He's rebutting.
Sir, what about 84
I
riots?
have one more interjection.
What about 84
So we have
riots?
limited time. I need to give everyone
No, no,
time,
it's-
Mr.
Why are we
Chari.
talking about Hindu
No, no,
Muslim
Mr.
alone? I'm
Mr.
sorry.
I agree with you. It is not a Hindu-Muslim. My
Saxena, sir,
point
One
is-
at a time.
no,
After all,
just 1 minute.
One second. I'm just intervening, gentlemen.
Just one minute, please.
No, 1 second. One
Just
at a
one
time.
second.
I'm saying one at a time. Okay, go ahead.
Just,
Briefly.
I'm sorry.
I
I agree with
completely
Shadri.
support.
Let him
I
talk.
agree with
Let him
Shadri Sahab. Saxena Sahab should have also given the figures of the other rights also. And the example of 84 rights is the latest one. Was it? This has been happened not against Muslim, it has happened against the Sikhs. And this has happened not by anybody else, but the officials only. What Mandan has said is absolutely right. Had the officials not yielded into under the political pressure, this would not have happened. So why were you talking
One
about
minute, no, one second.
Therefore, if you take the inference further, whom are you targeting? Whom are you punishing in this?
One second, Mr.
You are not
Jia,
punishing the
Mr.
officials
Chari,
at all.
Mr.
And
Chari.
as Mr. Harshmandar and Saxena are again and again saying, it is the institution, it is the institution.
Chari.
And if the institution is
Mr.
failed,
Chari.
this bill does not punish anyone in the institution.
No, it is.
On
Mr.
that-
Chari,
Please,
Mr.
no,
Chari,
Shadri,
my
no,
question to
It
this is,
punishes
my
the-
question.
It punishes the majority
No,
community.
no, it's not like
more
that.
than
No,
the
no, 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 no.
institution.
Mr. Chari,
I think we have not read it
Harsh
properly.
Mandar is rebutting this, please.
Yes.
Mr. Mandar, go ahead.
Please, Mr. Shirati, just for your clarification, this bill does not do, I mean, what it really creates new is punishments for public officials who fail in their duties up to the command level. That's very clear. Why, what about the 18 families? You know,
Yes.
I mean, I've been having this debate a lot. Let's have the very stark, recent, most emotional example of Gujarat, because you know, it's the elephant in the room. Let's talk about it as one example. Okay. I just wanted to say, you have an allegation of people allege that a train was burnt down by terrorist violence, heinous offense. People must be punished. What happened? 150 people were kept in jail for 9 years without bail, and you know, at the end of it, the Pota court had said that they could not prove the terrorist violence, and almost half of them were acquitted. Okay, what happened with regard to the violence that followed? We found
And violence
that
before
Well, let
that.
him complete. I'll come to you. I know you want to rebut.
yeah.
Yes.
No,
I'm
the
coming to you,
violence
Mr.
that
Rajan.
followed, I'm just saying the difference in the institutional bias. 2,000 people were killed in very brutal circumstances.
Yes.
We found that within 1 year, half the cases, more than half the cases were closed even without submitting them to the courts because
Yes.
they just said there's no evidence. I'll just give one more example and just tell you why we are doing this bill.
Go on.
In Naroda itself, Naroda Patia, about more than 100 people were killed, Muslim residents. One Hindu was killed also. For that one Hindu was killed, people were kept in jail without bail, a large number of victims for more than 4 to 5 years.